In the Horizon Management tool, we'll be using dedicated assignment, as you can see here, and only one user has been entitled a desktop. But the same principles apply to other assignment types and with whatever scale you're doing in your environment. Switching over to Active Directory users and computers, you can see I've created a separate organizational unit for the VDI computer objects and the VDI user VDI test 1. Switching over to the FlashArray, we'll first go to Storage, select the File Systems tab, and then we'll click on the plus on the far right to create a new file system. For our purposes, I'm going to call it pure file. You can see a directory was automatically created for us, the root directory. We're also going to make a directory export under the root directory. We're going to use SMB simple policy and call the user directory, call the export user-directory. This will be where our user directories are stored on the FlashArray. From here, we're going to create the Active Directory computer object on the array. So go to Settings, Access, put in the name of pure file. This is the name on the FlashArray. Put in our domain, the computer name. We want the computer object to be called on Active Directory, the Kerberos and directory servers. And finally, we'll put in our credentials that allow us to create the computer object on Active Directory. So we have that computer name of pure file. Let's go over to Active Directory and validate that that account showed up. So there's nothing there right now. After we refresh, the pure file object shows up there. After this, we will go to the full UNC path there. And you can see right now it's empty. Now we're going to go to Group Policy Management. We're going to create a new GPO on our OU that we created before. Going to call it Horizon Folder Redirection. Right click, go to Edit, expand User, Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, and we're going to go to Folder Redirection and go to the properties of Desktop here. Select Basic, redirect everyone's folder to same location. And we want to make sure that we're creating a folder for each user under the root path. Under the root path, we're going to put our full UNC path from before on the FlashArray computer object that we created. Once that's done, we'll switch over to our Horizon client. Log in as our VDI user. Within the VDI machine itself, we're first going to go to File Explorer and go to Documents. We're going to see that the state there shows as online, which is what we expect with folder redirection. We're going to create a new folder to show that you can create folders, and a new text document to show you can create some data there. And we're going to put some text in the folder. Now we're going to navigate to our file share on the FlashArray directly to show that the folder and file we just created are present. And you can see there that the folder exists and the file contains data. Thanks for watching. So I wanted to share with you today. For more information, please go to the platform guide on Pure Storage's website for VMware Solutions.